In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new ads account in Facebook Business Manager. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the Facebook website, and we're going to type in www.facebook.com/business and then hit enter. Now, once you're on the Facebook business page, click on the Start Now button in the top right-hand side, and that's going to take you over to the Facebook Ads Manager. Now, what you need to do from here is click on this drop-down menu, and you first need to create a business portfolio. So I'm just going to click on this button here, then go ahead and fill out this information here to create your business portfolio. You only need to enter a couple of things like your name and email address, and then we can go ahead and click on Create. Once you've created your business portfolio, you then need to head back over to the drop-down menu, select the account that you just created, and then click on the settings icon in the top right-hand side. Now this will take you over to the business settings page for that account that we just created, and from the left-hand side you can do a bunch of different things. So the first thing you may want to do is link your social media accounts to this page that we just created. So you can do that from the left-hand side by selecting Instagram accounts, and we can go ahead and link up our Instagram account to this page. You can also do the same for Facebook and WhatsApp as well. And once you've linked up your pages, you then need to select Add Accounts from the left-hand side. And as you can see, because we've just created this, it doesn't currently have any ad accounts linked to it. So what you need to do is click on the Add button, and then we'll have three different options. Now, you can either add an ad account if you already have one created. You can request access to an ad account, or what we're going to do is select the option at the bottom to create a new ad account. Then from here, you just need to give your account a name, select your time zone and the currency as well, and then click on Next, and then select where you want this ad account to be used for. So that's going to be the account that we just created, and hit Create. And now what you want to do is add yourself to this account that we just created. So we're going to hit Select All in the top left-hand side, and then down in Full Control, we're going to hit this button here, and that's going to give us full control of managing the ad account, and click on Assign. And just like that, we've now added this new account, and then we can go ahead and add all of our payment information and stuff like that. And you can start creating new ads straight away. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you create a new ad account in Facebook. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.